What was the Boston Massacre? After the Townshend Acts were passed, tensions between the British and the colonists were at an all-time high. Because of this, in 1768, the British sent soldiers across the Atlantic to Boston in a show of force. Their goal was to try to get the colonists to stop protesting and boycotting British goods. This only served to increase the tensions even more. It was not long after the British arrived in Boston that it was common to see fistfights break out between soldiers and colonists. There was so much anger and so many frustrations. Everything was coming to a boil. On the night of March 5th, 1770, angry colonists surrounded a group of British soldiers. The colonists were screaming, taunting, and throwing things at the soldiers. Some of the men in the crowd charged the soldiers. They had them completely surrounded. This really had the soldiers stressed out. When someone in the crowd threw a hard object at the soldiers, they panicked and fired their guns into the crowd, killing 5 people. This event came to be known as the Boston Massacre. The British soldiers were put on trial for murder in Boston. They were defended by attorney John Adams. Although John Adams did not like the British presence in Boston and did not agree with paying their taxes, he felt the soldiers deserved a fair trial. The court ruled that the soldiers were not guilty.